The upcoming Galaxy S24 series from Samsung is anticipated to bring several notable enhancements. Among the models, the Ultra variant is rumored to introduce a new camera setup. On the other hand, the Base and Plus models are expected to showcase slimmer bezels and a more power-efficient display. Notably, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is speculated to undergo design and construction changes. Reports suggest that the Galaxy S24 Ultra might sport a titanium alloy frame, offering greater durability compared to phones utilizing aluminum frames. Notably, Tipster Ice Universe has mentioned that the Galaxy S24 Ultra could depart from its predecessor's curved edge screens in favor of a flat screen design. This could prove advantageous as it would make using the S Pen along the screen edges easier, a move that many S Pen enthusiasts have been requesting. Additionally, a flat screen could facilitate the use of more cost-effective and efficient screen protectors. The leaked dimensions of the Galaxy S24 Ultra are approximately 162.3 x 79 x 8.6 mm, implying that it might be thinner and shorter than its predecessor, the Galaxy S23 Ultra. However, if these measurements hold true, the upcoming model might be wider, potentially resulting in slightly thicker side bezels. It's important to note that the accuracy of these details remains to be confirmed. Previous rumors have indicated that the Galaxy S24 Ultra's display could achieve a peak brightness exceeding 2,200 nits, a notable improvement over the Galaxy S23 Ultra's 1,750 nits. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is speculated to house a 12-megapixel front-facing camera and an impressive camera array on its rear, including a 200-megapixel primary sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 10x visual zoom capabilities. The device is expected to launch in two processor variants, one powered by the Exynos 2400 processor, and the other by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. RAM configurations are anticipated to be 12 gigs for the 256 gigs and 512 gigs versions, while the 1 TB version could feature 16 gigs of RAM. Powering the phone might be a 5,000 mAh battery, complemented by 45-watt fast charging technology. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below.